Hey guys, what's happening? How to find and use your USDG wallet address on Kraken. So open up your Kraken, hit explore at the bottom middle, search bar, search for USDG, you can find it here. Alright. To find and use your USDG wallet address on Kraken, you need to navigate to the funding or deposit section, right? And then generate a deposit address. USDG is available on the Ethereum, Inc., or in Solana networks on Kraken. So selecting the correct network is essential. So say Inc., hit I understand, and an address will be generated. You can use this address to match with another wallet, right? Where you can withdraw a couple USDG and transfer it to Kraken so you can receive it. Ensure the network you select on Kraken matches the network you are sending from. For example, if you are sending USDG on the Solana network, you must select the Solana deposit address on Kraken, right? For your first transaction, consider sending a small test amount to ensure the funds arrive correctly, okay? Check for extra details. Some cryptocurrencies require an additional detail like a destination tag or memo. USDG typically does not, but always check the specific instructions on the deposit page. Yeah, and once the USDG in your Kraken account, you can be automatically enrolled in the USDG rewards program to earn the percentage yield on your holdings, depending on your location and account type. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.